Hi, I'm Denis from Volvo Cars Edmonton, and I'm here with things you might not know about the three-point seatbelt. Did you know that Volvo developed the three-point seatbelt? A man named Nils Bohlin, who was a safety engineer at Volvo, holds the patent for the three-point seatbelt, and it was first installed in the 1959 Volvo Amazon. After Volvo's invention of the three-point seatbelt in the 1950s, Volvo released the patent so that every manufacturer could incorporate three-point seatbelts into their own vehicles to make sure that everyone was able to enjoy the enhanced safety that three-point seatbelts offer. It took many manufacturers years to get on with the program, but since then, the three-point seatbelt has saved well over 1 million lives. In fact, if you look closely at the seatbelt tang in one of our XC90 or V90 models, it actually says since 1959 right on there. The three-point seatbelt is the best way to help protect yourself when you're in any vehicle because the seatbelts work along with the airbags and other restraint systems to make sure that you're as safe as possible in the event of a crash. But seatbelts can also help prevent you from being out of place before a crash as well. For example, if you have to make a sudden maneuver or if you have to brake sharply to avoid a crash. The front seat belts in Volvo vehicles feature multiple technologies to help keep you safer. So that includes, of course, pyrotechnic pretensioners and load limiters, as well as actually electric pretensioners, so that the seatbelt can actually tighten in a serious braking incident, for example, to help keep you in position in the event that there's a crash. The last time that this was surveyed, back in 2022, only about 50% of vehicles in the North American market had pretensioners in the rear seating positions. Volvos have had this technology since 1999 to ensure that you're always as safe as possible in a Volvo. To get the most out of your three-point seatbelt, make sure that you wear it low and tight across your hips. This might mean adjusting it to make sure that it's nice and tight across your hip bones. Also, make sure that the shoulder portion is actually resting against your collarbone. You definitely don't want to tuck it under an arm or something like that because that can drastically increase the risk of serious injuries. Volvo seatbelts are height adjustable so that you can increase the comfort just by adjusting where the seatbelt is going to meet your body. Volvo's XC90 also has height adjustment for the outboard middle row passengers as well, so everyone's as comfortable as possible. A Volvo is always about driving as safely as possible, and now you know a little bit more about Volvo's seatbelt technology and how it can help keep you safer.